Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you about the structure of the heart. You already know human being has one heart that is having four chambers. First you see here the right side of the heart is known as right part of the heart has two chambers, right atrium and right ventricle. Here left part has also two chambers, left atrium and left ventricle. Right part will always have impure blood. First of all, from whole part of the body through vena cava, blood will reach to the right atrium. Impure blood from whole part of the body through vena cava will reach to the right atrium. Right atrium. After that, from right atrium, impure blood will reach to the right ventricle. Between the right atrium and right ventricle, there is a valve known as tricuspid valve that allows blood from right atrium to right ventricle. From right ventricle, you see here this valve. Here you see this is known as pulmonary valve. From right ventricle, the blood from this part will go to the through the pulmonary artery. This will go to the impure blood will go to the lungs for purification. After purification, blood will reach to the left atrium by pulmonary vein that carries blood from lungs to the left atrium. From left atrium, blood will reach to the left ventricle. Between the left atrium, left ventricle, there is a valve known as mitral valve here that allow only blood from left atrium to left ventricle. From left ventricle, pure blood, oxygenated blood will goes to the different parts of the body through aorta, main artery that will carry blood from heart to the whole parts of the body. So you will do practice and you can easily understand about this, the structure and the physiology of the heart. Again I am going to describe about this. From whole body parts, impure blood first of all reach to the right atrium through vena cava. Impure blood will reach to the right atrium. From right atrium to right ventricle. From right ventricle to this blood will goes to the whole body parts through pulmonary vein. This impure blood will goes to the lungs, and after purification, lungs purify our blood, means oxygenation of blood will take place. Now pure blood will reach to the left atrium. From left atrium, blood will goes to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle, pure blood will goes to the different parts of the body through aorta. In this way, I have completed this means about I taught you about the structure and physiology of the heart. Now you will do practice.